Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today let's make salad with guava. Let's take a bowl. Into that squeeze of lemon or add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and then 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Adding to this 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt can be as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix well and take medium sized guava and chop it pieces and then add it to this along with this chopped cabbage, chopped carrot. For this 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds to enhance the taste. Half cup of pomegranate seeds and then mix all together, combine well, everything should be coated. For the better taste, you can add raw mango slices as well. It was not available for me, but you can add it as you wish. Now it's ready to be served, and when you are in a diet and if you crave something spice, this is the best option. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.